Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.